Lost a little bit right here, but I can kind of see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are some finer hairs in there, some smaller hairs that look like they may be new growths. Hello and welcome back to part 2 of the Derma rolling series here. I have the culprit that has been putting so much pain on my scalp right now. So that thing, if you are a faint of heart person, you probably don't want that, or someone else can do it for you. It's a lot better, but I have like 37 hours of tattoo, so I ain't no wimp. I can do it myself. The other things that I'm using though, you guys saw in the last video, is minoxidil. You probably can't see that, super bright in here. And then this one, you didn't get a close-up of this last time. So this is the Biotin and Collagen Shampoo and Conditioner. This thing is supposed to make your hair thicker, or appear to be, and I think it's actually working. So basically what I've been doing for the past 3 to 4 weeks is rolling my head every 7 to 10 days. I'm using this every day, and I'm using this twice a day, so morning and the evening time. There is a fourth thing that someone actually mentioned in the comments of the last video that I'm going to be trying, and that's going to be the scalp massage. I can't even pronounce it. It's like Demiskinins. I don't know, I forgot it. I had it written down somewhere, but I'm not even gonna try. So I'm gonna be trying that, and I'll show you guys a video on that next time. So that one's like warm up your head, squeeze your head as many times as you can all the way around, take some time. So if you are playing video games, you can take about 5-minute breaks in between and just rub your head a little bit. Every guy likes to do that. So let's see. Update time. Let's take the hat off. What does my hair look like? Did I gain some hair? Did I lose some hair? So I'm actually gonna be honest with you guys. I feel like I've lost a little bit more hair, actually at a more rapid rate since I started using this. Why do I feel like that? So I did a little bit of research, and it's actually supposed to be normal, especially with the fact that all the ones that are like dying, all the hairs that are dying, they're barely in there anyway. So what that did is that pulled them. There's gonna be bigger, stronger, more healthy hair apparently coming through that. So I'm gonna trust the process. I'm gonna keep going through this. If I end up bald, you guys are gonna know 100% not to do this. So I'm going to do this at pretty much my own expense. If you guys do like this video, like I said, hit that subscribe button and follow my journey. I'm gonna be doing this for the next like year. If it works, I'll be doing it forever. If it doesn't work, I'll be bald forever, and I don't want that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let's go ahead and see a little bit of that aerial view that basically I took earlier of me derma rolling, and my head was a little red. So let's see that. Lost a little bit right here, but I can kind of see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are some finer hairs in there, some smaller hairs that look like they may be new growths. If you are a sissy, this will hurt, but if you have 37 hours of tattoo work, it shouldn't hurt, right? In my opinion, tattoos are way better because you get immediate satisfaction. With this, being patient is 2020. No one's patient for anything at all. The hairline has somewhat receded more since I started this, but if I'm reading it correctly, it's just pulling out all the ones that are basically dying. They weren't dead completely, they were just dying, so now some better resulted, better hair is gonna come through. So if I lose all my hair because of this, I'm gonna come after every single one of you YouTubers. That angle does me no justice. Can't see back there, but I'm gonna do whatever they got. Whatever I got. Yeah, so that's it for the day. That's the update story, and if you guys did like that, hit subscribe. Next time I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the whole like massage your scalp and go crazy with your head and squeeze it a bunch of times. If you do have a significant other, unlike myself, go ahead and have them squeeze your head. Women love to rub your hair, and for me, I have never wanted them to touch my hair recently because it may fall out, but right now, since they have the ability to massage your head, let them do it. Tell them how to do it, show them how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, I'm gonna show you how to do it in the next video, alright? So just do it, do it. I'm gonna keep saying do it. Do it. I'll see you guys later.